In this video, we are going to see how to apply filters to a given set of data. So what we have to do is we have to select the data, any cell in the data first. After that, in the first method, what we have to do is go to the home tab. In this case, we are already in the home tab. In the home tab, you can see the editing command group. In this, you can see sort and filter. Click on it. You will get a drop down. In that, select filter. Now you can see the filter has been applied onto the data. So to remove it, go to the home tab. In the editing command group, select sort and filter and click on filter. That will remove the filters which were applied earlier. Now the second method involves, again, first select the data, any cell in the data, go to the data tab, click on it. Now in the data tab, in the middle, almost the middle of this tab, you will find sort and filter. Here, click on filter. So that will apply the filter here. And if you want to remove it, then again select a cell in the data and go to the data tab and click on filter. Now this will remove the filter which you have applied earlier. The third method is the simplest, but for that you will have to remember the shortcut, which is basically select a cell in the data and then click Ctrl Shift L, the shortcut. That will apply the filter, and if you click Ctrl Shift L again, that will remove the filters which you have applied. So these three methods are available. The first two are available on the ribbon. In the case of last one, you will have to remember the shortcut. That is the only drawback of the method, that you will have to remember that particular shortcut. I hope the three methods were clear to you. Thank you.